How to log into Facebook using Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, what you need to do is just launch the Instagram application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. After logging into your account, tap on your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen. Then tap on the hamburger icon at the top right corner of the screen again. And as you do that, it will lead you to settings and privacy where you need to tap on account center. So tap on the profiles over here and here you'll be able to see your Facebook and Instagram application over here. So just make sure that you have synced your Facebook and Instagram application over here. So as you can see, I've already synced it. So we go back and then tap on the connected experiences and tap on view all. So here just tap on login in with accounts and here make sure that you toggle on the option of allow all accounts to log in into each other. So due to this you don't have to remember the password of Facebook, or if you have misplaced your Facebook ID or password, then you can simply use Instagram to log into your Facebook application. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.